Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cupcakes in a generic cooking game. First, find the cupcake recipe in your game's menu or cookbook. Then, collect all the required ingredients like flour, sugar, eggs, and milk from your inventory. Don't forget to grab a mixing bowl and a cupcake baking pan. Having everything prepared makes the process much smoother and quicker. Now it's time to mix the batter. Start by adding your dry ingredients, such as flour and baking powder, into the mixing bowl. Next, incorporate the wet ingredients like eggs, milk, and oil. Mix everything gently until it's just combined. Remember, overmixing can lead to tough cupcakes, so stop as soon as the ingredients are blended for the best texture. With your batter ready, carefully pour it into the cupcake pan, filling each cup about 2/3 full. Place the pan into the oven and set the timer according to the recipe, usually around 15 to 20 minutes. Once baked, remove the cupcakes and let them cool on a wire rack. This step is crucial for proper frosting and ensures they don't become soggy. Finally, it's time for the fun part, decorating. Choose your favorite frosting flavor and any sprinkles or toppings you'd like to use. Once the cupcakes are completely cool, apply the frosting evenly to each one. You can get creative with your designs. After decorating, your delicious cupcakes are ready to be served to your happy customers, earning you points or coins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.